Hello guys, I got me some Engine 99. It doesn't work very good as chewing tobacco, but I've been getting really addicted to this. I love it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, boys and girls. I've been watching too much YouTube. But it's Monday. Almost time for me to hit the road and truck the USA. Make sure all of you guys get your barbecue grills and your matches, tobacco, your pipes. I'll be hauling all that good stuff. I gotta get me a bigger pipe. Because I try to fill them way up. I just need a bigger one. Because I'm just that type of guy. It's trying to come out everywhere. Number 3. Look at that Engine 99 swell up. Oh man, it's good. God. Freaking awesome. Yeah. Freaking burning holes and shit. It's pretty good. Well, I don't think I've told you guys I drive a truck. And I drive for Averitt. I shuttle freight. All kind of goodies all over the lower 48 states. I mainly stay in the South. Out as far as Texas, sometimes I go to California. I run team. I have a co-driver. We run about 6,000 miles a week. And it keeps me wore out. But I love it. I don't have much time to make any videos out on the road, so I just put up a video here at home on the weekends every now and then. I enjoy watching videos all week. Engine 99. Gosh, that's good. But I was saying something. Let's see. Oh yeah, I enjoy watching videos all week. On my Droid 3, I've got a mount on my dash. Driving that 18-wheeler down the road. Just knowing all you guys are out there waiting for all these goodies that I'm bringing. Big screen TVs, barbecue grills. It'll all be in there at the same time. Just beautiful, juicy products. Even pipes, dead people, you name it, we haul it all. Yeah, I've even seen dead people back there. I didn't see them, but I knew they were there. We'll haul a casket every now and then. Somebody dies far away, they go on vacation, get in a car wreck, 8 states away. They'll hire us. They'll say, hey, we need a ship. It's a long way to go. And yes, we have hauled dead people. Man, that is just heaven. that's not what's important. What's more important is you guys getting what you need while you're alive, so you can enjoy your weekend. So I can enjoy mine, because I really have enjoyed my weekend. I even had a really nice cigar this weekend. So I love trucking. I'm not one of those truckers that just live out on the road. I go out and back. We will hit it tonight around 10 p.m. We'll be back Saturday night, wide open. We don't stop for nothing except fuel and more loads, drop and hook and go. I'm lucky my partner lets me puff my pipe in the front. As long when I'm driving, as long as I don't, as long as I keep the window cracked, I get to taste that goodness going down the road, which helps me with the long trips. I've been driving since I was since 1998. I used to do I started out doing the over-the-road stuff, and I just didn't like it. It started putting weight on me. I used to play football. I played football for 6 years and was in good shape. I got in a truck in '98, and since then I've gained about 60 pounds. But it's been worth it. Not the weight. That's a pretty good living when you had to give up 2 football scholarships to raise your daughter. Now I've got a grandkid and I'm one on the way. But anyway, I was just going to tell a little about myself while I enjoyed this Engine 99. And I finally got this pipe in my first video. It was nasty. It had the mothballs and perfume in it. But since then I've cleaned it out with some alcohol. Absolute vodka is what I use. And I've burned about 12 bowls of Engine 99 through it. Maybe more, maybe 16, I don't know. I don't keep count, I just keep enjoying. But anyway, you guys keep me entertained while I'm out on the road hauling your damn freight. Keep bringing the videos, I'll keep hauling the freight, you keep going to the store and buying this shit so I can keep hauling you more of it. And we'll keep having good times. Motorcycle riding coming up soon. I'm going to be heading out on my big Boulevard 1800. Hauling my wife through these East Tennessee hills. It's beautiful out there. We'll stop that big motorcycle on the side of the road. We'll strip down. We'll have our swim trunks on beneath our pants. And we'll just go run and jump in the river on the side of the road. Because that's just the type of people we are. We've even had people stop and take pictures of us. That is a good blend. Engine 99. If you haven't tried it, get you some. You might like it. Longest video I've ever made, and I'm fixing to post it. I may not make another one this long, but I needed to tell you a little bit about myself. I felt the need because I just felt like it. You guys have a good day. I'll be going trucking. Enjoy your products. Catch you later.